Let's talk about Carnival Cruise. Now, I was a little late to the ball game. I was going to go long options this morning, but I didn't get in time. Don't really feel like chasing price at this time, but let's see. This article is coming from the Motley Fool, why Carnival stocks soared 22% in May. Um, Carnival Cruise was crushed by the pandemic, as we all know. It's still not back to where it was prior. Carnival took many actions to stay afloat. This included several rounds of new shares to pay off debt when revenue wasn't coming in, further diluting its shares outstanding, further diluting its earnings. But it looks like the situation is beginning to show a real change. Revenue in 2023 first quarter was 4.4 billion, or 95% of the 2019 levels. That's pretty good. This article is from investing.com. Now Carnival was at a 52-week high. Again, this was from Friday. Shares rose 2%. On optimistic for a strong summer travel season, shares of the cruise operator up 61% so far this year. Deloitte found half of Americans plan leisure travel this summer involving paid lodging, up from 46% last summer. Okay, so that's 4% difference. 3 out of 10 of those surveys said they are making up for missed travel or taking a bucket list journey. Citi has a price target at 14. This was when shares were currently trading below 13. Now let's go to the charts. Shares are now at 1464. We had a gap higher to begin the week. It's been a pretty nice, just upward trajectory from the $9 level back in April. So how could we have known about this? Okay, well, I guess I must have done a short on this. But here was the trigger. This is the monthly chart, right? You have a triple bottom. And I guess I was signifying that in order for price to move higher, we need to get above the $11 level. So shame on me for not putting an alert in. We did have a false breakout to the top side. Eventually, we closed May at the highest level since, I guess going back to last year, May of last year. Let's remove this here. Let's move this down. Just want to see. Okay. And so we started off the month. It would have been nice if we would have had a stronger pullback before price moving higher. We also exceeded the 1350 level. That was where we had some support, which was now resistance as well. Now I still could get in, as I have a price target at 1775. Let's go down to the daily chart. Yeah, just looking at the daily chart, I guess when price, let's see. Yeah, this would have been a nice area to go long for several reasons. All right, so when price broke through the resistance band and pulled back, price was waiting for all the simple moving averages to cluster together and start pointing up. So when price rose and pulled back, this was the opportunity to go long, right? As you were then making, or in the midst of making, higher highs and higher lows, right? Beautiful at the $10 level to go long. All right, so that's in the past. Like I said, we gapped up higher. Question is how we're going to finish the day. Are we going to finish the trade on an extended range green candle, or will we have a pullback? Again, I think we do have more upside potential We have daily sellers at the 1775 level, and this is the level right here. Beautiful drop in price, basing, and then a huge drop down. Right now, earnings is on the 22nd. The question is, last earnings we had a sell-off. Question is, are we going to get a run-up higher before eventually selling off? Yeah, I missed the opportunity. The play was to get long at the opening session, and I did not. So I'm going to stay out of this one. Now, if earning was maybe in July, I would definitely look to get in on a pullback. But at this time, I am staying out. However, I think there is still more room to the upside. Look for sellers again to step in at the 1775 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.